Life just got made that little bit easier. Just wave your foot under the hands-free liftgate and get ready to go. The trunk can be transformed to accommodate a variety of shapes and sizes. The flexibility of the Grandland X means there's plenty of space for every journey. And waiting inside, the ergonomic front seats perfectly support you and your well-being with 16 adjustable settings and extra leather options. Get comfortable and enjoy top connectivity with the latest generation of IntelliLink systems, perfectly suited and in sync with your mobile device. Once you've set the ideal temperature, you're set to go. Every journey is enhanced with a little music, and Denon has provided a premium sound system for you to enjoy your own personal soundtrack. Be it the panoramic glass roof or the two-tone roof option, the view from the street speaks for itself. Enjoy your journey. Opel, the future is everyone's.